Hello coders, today we will discuss what is print statement. So the print statement function is used to display output on the screen. The print statement in Python is like the magic wand of coding. It's how we communicate with the world outside our code. Imagine you just created a brilliant function, but not one knows what it does. That's where the print come in. By using point, you can display message, variables, or even the results of a calculating right in the conclude. We will see two examples in print statement, and this is the first examples of print statement. This is our second example of print statement. So we will see two examples of print statement. So now you can also customize your output with parameters like shape and end what to print items on the line. The print statement is not just a tool, it's your gateway to making your code interactive and user friendly. So unleash the power of print and let your code its peak.